State versus Pilar Hudgens 16-70. So he's charged with breaking, entering, and theft of property. We're appearing for an arraignment. You have a lawyer, sir?
Yes, sir. Mr. Russo.
Mr. Russo, okay. Have you made an application since you've been recently arrested?
I have been incarcerated this whole time.
Okay.
Your Honor, based on that statement, we'll get him an application for the new case.
Okay.
We'll go ahead and waive reading of information, enter a plea of not guilty.
Okay, we'll enter a plea of not guilty in your case, sir.
Your Honor, this is not a new case. I've been charged with this already. They've come up with a new warrant just last night.
Sir, I understand.
Same cases.
It's just been filed, sir. So you're appearing for an arraignment. Okay, your next appearance will be March 17th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Tyler, do you have a copy of the warrant?
I'll get one, Paul. Oh, yeah, my warrant? Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. I'll try to get over there today, go over that with you, and see what the discrepancy is.
All right, thank you, Paul.
All right, I visited with Mr. Brooks. He's still got his application in his hand. Based on previous experience, I think he will qualify. So we're going to go ahead and enter an appearance and waive reading of the information or plea of not guilty.
The State versus Jacob Brooks, 16-71, charged with delivery of controlled substance, unlawful use of a communication device, drug paraphernalia, and allegedly occurring near certain facilities. Yes, sir, we'll enter a plea of not guilty in your case. When will his next appearance begin?
Retrial May 19th.
Your next appearance is May 19th for a pretrial.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
State versus Jeffrey Grigg. Are you Mr. Grigg?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is case 16-68. It's fleeing, some driving charges, maybe a DWI.
Jeffrey, are you currently making an application? Is that correct?
Yes, I'm making one.
Okay.
Based on the interview I had with him this morning, we're going to waive reading of the information or plea of not guilty, Your Honor.
Okay. We'll enter a plea of not guilty in your case. We'll await your application. Your next appearance will be March 17th at 9 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, sir.
16-72, State versus Michael Oliver. Okay. Will you be with the Public Defender's Office be representing you?
Yes, Your Honor. We'll waive reading of the information and our plea of not guilty. Ask that this new case be consolidated onto this division so that they can track together.
Very well. We transferred to Division 3. Anything further, sir?
No, not at this time.
Thank you. That's all, Mr. Tolliver. Thank you. State versus Shane Thomas, 16-66. Theft of property is the charge. I think we're appearing for an arraignment.
That's correct. I visited with him also, same as the others. The applications are not complete, but I do believe that would be approved. Waive reading of the information or plea of not guilty.
Okay, sir, we'll enter a not guilty plea in your case. Your next appearance is March 17th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, John.
Thank you.
Thank you.
State versus Michael Vetter,
Yes, sir.
16-65, charged with 4 counts of forgery. Looks like this is also an arraignment.
Yes, I've also visited with him. We'll waive reading of the information and our plea of not guilty.
Okay, we're going to enter a plea of not guilty in your case, sir. We'll send out a scheduling order to your lawyer about your next appearance, okay?
All right.
Thank you. State versus Caitlin Johnson, 16-50, Johnston, yes, 16-59, charged with possession of controlled substances, endangering the welfare of a minor in the 3rd degree near certain facilities.
Your Honor, I represent Ms. Johnston privately. I've been
Okay.
hired in that case. I'd enter a plea of not guilty, waive formal reading of the charges. Your Honor, Mr. Chisholm and I have spoken about the bond, and with the court's permission, I will tell the court what we've agreed on. Your Honor, her bond will be set at $25,000, cash or surety. Mr. Chisholm has, I think, some restrictions that he wants to announce.
Okay, we're going now to case 13-236. Looked like was originally was a drug case. And there's been a petition filed to revoke your probationary period in that case, ma'am. Sue signed the judgment. Well, it's not in the computer. Do you know who signed it? I should have, but this is played before the other division. No, this is Judge Webb's case. He may have signed that.
It is Judge Webb.
Okay. I'll set it for hearing on when you want to set the hearing. I got March 17th, April 28th.
That's probably April 20th is probably a better date for Mr.
28.
That's fine. Your Honor, I would enter a plea of not true to the probation allegations on behalf of Ms. Johnston.
We'll enter a plea not true, set it for hearing on April 28th, 9 o'clock. Anything further? And as you stated, the bond, that'll be the order of the court.
Yes, Your Honor, and just so Ms. Johnston understands, the $25,000 will allow her to bond out the probation. This includes the probation case.
That was the agreement.
Yes.
Very well.
Okay.
No, nothing further, Judge.